Hello everyone, myself Dr. Santosh D. Surana, Faculty, Department of Economics, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science, NAC accredited, Chennai. My subject for presentation is Indian economy. Let's start the presentation with Nobel laureate Professor Amartya Sen. He received the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences in 1998 for his contribution to welfare economics. His view regarding economic growth and development. Economic growth is not an end in itself and has to enhance the lives people lead and the freedoms that they enjoy. Let's see the definition. Economic growth is only concerned with raising income level and volume of production of goods and services. It is also connected with wealth economics, whereas economic development, the basic feature of economic development is to raise income level and to improve the standard of human beings. That is, it is associated with welfare economics too. If we see the nature in economic literature, economic growth is the key issue under traditional economics. According to this approach, take care of growth and poverty would eliminate automatically. On the other hand, economic development is the main issue under modern economics literature. Accordingly, take care of poverty and growth would take care of itself. Let's see importance of economic growth. Increase in employment is connected with fall in unemployment. Increase in tax revenue is connected with increased spending on public services. Increased consumption is related to encourage the investment. See the determinants of economic development. Economic factors, non-economic factors. Under economic factors, natural resources, capital formation, size of the market, structural change, financial system, marketable surplus, foreign trade, economic system. Under non-economic factors, human resource, technical know-how, political freedom, social organization, corruption-free administration, desire for development, moral, ethical and social values, casino capitalism, patrimonial capitalism. If a country wants to attain growth followed by the development, it has to come out from poverty trap. What is poverty trap? It is to be explained through poverty line. A consumption of less than 2300 calories per person per day is the line of poverty or poverty line. A country is in poverty trap. That means it is a mechanism that makes it is very difficult for people to escape poverty. A poverty trap is created when an economic system requires a significant amount of capital in order to earn enough to escape poverty. Let's see the circular chart, how a growth and development cannot be attained if a country is caught under the poverty trap. If we see the growth circular flow chart, low economic growth leads to low income, it leads to low saving, low investment. On the other hand, if we look at the economic development, it starts with low income followed by low level of education and healthcare, low levels of human capital and low productivity. So, special thanks to our beloved principal and motivator, Dr. Shobha Edward ma'am. Hearty thanks to Dr. Sumati ma'am, head of the department.